Welcome back, guys. I think it's time for another holiday festive warm drink. This is Hot Buttered Rum. Now, the first step is to create an awesome spiced butter. So I'm going to start with a stick of unsalted butter, half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of ginger, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I just realized I have those reversed on my little ingredient list there. No matter. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Finally, a pinch of salt, and optionally you could add a pinch of cloves, but I'm not a fan. And alright, now we're going to mash it all up with a spatula, and eventually it'll all work together, and you just mash it all up. And yeah, basically we've added some amazing holiday spices to our butter and sugar. So it's a sweetened, spicy compound butter, basically is what we've made. Now what we're going to do is we've got some cling film, some plastic wrap, and we're just going to put all of our butter onto the wrap there. And then we're going to carefully kind of roll it back into like a butter stick shape, sort of, kind of a log of butter. And yeah, I know it doesn't look the most appetizing at the moment. Yeah, and we're going to pop that in the freezer. Oh, don't be gross. Okay, so it's been in the fridge or freezer for about an hour. It's firmed up nicely, which is great because now we can basically cut off some slices to make our hot buttered rum, and we can pop that right back in the freezer and keep it till next time. So you make a good amount of this compound butter and then the spice butter, and then whenever you want to make a hot buttered drink, you just go ahead and make it. It's that easy. All right, so I'm doing about 2 tablespoons. Like one of these slices is about a tablespoon. I'm doing 2 per drink, and we're going to make 2 hot buttered rums today. So I need about 4 of those slices. All right, wrap it back up and pop it in the fridge for the next time we're making hot buttered rum. All right, so this is rum, of course. We're going to be using El Dorado 12 as well as Plantation OFTD. That's what I decided, but you use whatever rum you want. It's really a preference thing. And for one of our drinks, we're going to add cream. This is one of those optional ingredients. Some people add it, some people don't. We're going to see which one's better. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we're using Irish coffee mugs, and we're going to scorch the mugs. So we're going to pour some hot water into them just to temper the mug, bring it up to temperature so that when we pour in our drink, it doesn't lose a lot of heat right away. If the glasses are hot, they'll stay hot. The drink will stay hot longer. It's the same way you chill your glasses when you make cold cocktails. All right, so we've scorched the glasses. They're nice and hot now. Now we can add our spiced butter. So about 2 tablespoons, which to me is 2 of these slices of my spiced butter log. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot water just to get it kind of start melting. Then we can grab our spoon and just kind of break up that butter. It'll all melt by the time the drink is done. Don't worry about that. But I like to just kind of break it up now. All right. Excellent. Okay, let's add some rum. We're doing 2 ounces of rum per drink. So I'm going to start with my El Dorado 12. 1 ounce here. And 1 ounce here. I need a new bottle of this very soon. Love this rum. It's such a rich, delicious rum. Deep flavor. Lovely. And after that, some Plantation OFTD. This is an overproof rum. I believe it's 69%. It's just going to add, it's a great tasting rum as well, but with that high proof, it's going to add a little extra kick to this drink, which I think with the heaviness of the butter and all the spices, and we are watering it down, so I think a little extra ABV is not a bad thing. All right, give it a stir. Looking great. All right, now as I mentioned, one of these we're going to have the addition of cream, which I did some research on hot buttered rum. I don't know if it's traditional, but like half the recipes add a little bit of heavy cream. So I figured let's add it to 1 and see how it goes. So 1 ounce of heavy cream to 1 of our glasses. And then we're just going to top off with hot water. All right, looking good. Give it another quick stir. I've seen some recipes add some whipped cream on top. I mean, you can if you want it. This is not Irish coffee. It's already going to be very decadent from the butter. I don't think it needs extra whipped cream on top. But hey, you do you. I'm just going to garnish simply with some grated nutmeg. Do some cinnamon as well if you'd like. Oh, that looks so good. Make it rain. All right. And there it is, guys. Our hot buttered rum. Looks absolutely amazing. Let's give it a taste, shall we? So we're going to start with the non-cream. And ooh, that's nice. Warm. The warmness of the, obviously the warm hot water, but the warmness of the rum as well. The richness of the butter. All those lovely holiday spices, cold weather spices, and with the cream, oh my god, yeah, the cream's much better. They're both really good, but with the added cream, it just adds a little richness, and wow, that is such a good drink. Now that you have your spice butter, why not try hot buttered other drinks? Head over to Uncle Pete's Cocktail Shop, where he hot butters chartreuse and other fun spirits, and check that out. It's a lot of fun, so give him a subscribe while you're at it. And yeah, that's it for today. Check back because we got more awesome holiday drinks to come. We'll see you next time. Cheers.